That's my dog. Hey. Get it. All right, let's go. Let's go. I'm ready for a great week. You know what? This is pretty much exclusive for my one-on-ones. Because only my one-on-ones pretty much show up. So, you know. So good. I hope everyone had a good weekend. Had an amazing day. Amazing weekend myself. Chilled. Saw the Now You See Me. The new Now You See Me was great. JoJo fell asleep during it. But whatever. And then we'll go to share the screen real quick. If that don't wake you up on a Monday, I don't know what will. How sexy that is. So I've seen. Should we just get into it? Or should we wait? Should we wait a little bit? Probably just get into it. Oh, okay. Here we go. All right, now we'll get into it. All right. What up, fam? What up? What up? So, this is what I've seen. I've seen this multiple times. We have opened above, right? Pre-market, came down, broke down, continued. All right, so that's one option. Or we're going to hit them with a boom, a little psych, a little juke. It's going to juke them out real quick, right? So you can watch that 670, 671 level on SPY because it very well could just hit a little sweep and reclaim of that 671 up to 675 to 676 80. See, this is probably our no trade zone right here. So boom, 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 boom. Don't care what it does there, right? We're gonna see, is it gonna come back below to go down, or are we gonna come up and through and bounce, right? So very curious to see. As far as news goes, actually, check me out. Oh, yeah, that's for YouTube. Wait, hold on. There's my news. Oh yeah, uncertainty. All right, so we got to be careful. It's going to be a super volatile week, right? We have the government shutdown ending, so there's going to be news about that. We have NVIDIA earnings. We have Webull earnings. I'm super excited about NVIDIA and Webull. I'm very curious to see what happens. Nothing major today, but it could be about the government shutdown today, right? The release of minutes Wednesday is going to be crazy. If they don't announce rate cuts, expect that drop. We'll probably get our drop. If they do, then we'll probably get our pop. I mean, we're still bullish. We did bounce off of a support, right, and a trend. Export, import, labor. Okay, so that is also a factor of it too, right? But look at that. So technically, yeah, we made this higher high here, so we should just bounce and go. And being in that channel. But, I mean, play it by ear, right? So I would say SPY below 670 to 667. That would be a good downside move, right? So let's get to the... Good morning, y'all. if you're here, thank you. Because I put my time in to give y'all these levels. And people eat, bro. People be eating. I think more people are using the watch list than ever now, ever since old girl came in and just started hitting some crazy games, dude. I had this person make like $4,000 in a week and a half. I mean, people constantly eating. What? All right. Anyways, I'll gloat about that later. So yeah, SPY will go. Go below 670. 670 down here. Yeah, we can do that. To 667. All right, and then we'll go or above. Oh, we gotta go 676.5 now at least, right? Let's just keep it safe at 677. Or above 677. Dude, honestly, if we get above that 677, man, 677 to 680 is good. I guess 670 to 667 is good too. We got good moves either side of SPY, so I'm excited for today, right? Because both moves are good. So the in between is up to you if you want to take it. This is your pre-market level, right? So like typically, you could go like, all right, reclaim, go get confirmation, boom, and then like if we get confirmation of a good trend, we start pumping. I mean, really, like, right, previous day highs, take it and go. So yeah, we go SPY above 677 to 681. I want that whole move, dude. Oh, I want that whole move. I hope we get it today. Or whatever. I don't even care if it's 669 to 664. I don't care what way it goes. We making money. I hear what's in. Ooh, they just put a whole wrench. All right, so now we could. I mean, we're in the middle of going up or down to here, the 655. We very well could go down to the 655. Because I don't think we ever really. Yeah, we slept in it a couple times. So yeah, it's very interesting actually. There we go. 655. All right. All right, let's go. We might get a big move down. We might get another day like this. Ooh, that'd be so nice. All right, man. Open to both ways. That's what I'm saying. You gotta react, right? Don't think just wait to react. NVIDIA, obviously same. A little bullish divergence here on NVIDIA, so it's good to see. NVIDIA clearly made that higher high and is bouncing off that 187 we have right there. So I probably would not take NVIDIA short until probably. I mean, you could take it short 185 to 183 if you wanted to, but that would have to be Strong break and close. Really 183 to 181 would probably be your best on the video. But I would say reclaim of 188 up to 191.5 is definitely a good possibility. Yeah. Video reclaim 188. Above 188 to 188.5. We'll go 188.5 to 191. All right. I don't really like or below. That's a 183 to 180. Qs I think actually look amazing. Oh yeah, baby. QQQ. We'll go below 607 to 603. That is nice. Right? Or above 613. Gotta watch that pre-market high now. Nah, I think we're still good. I would say above 613 to 618. Boom. Questions, comments, concerns, stocks you want to look at? Let me know, famo. Damn. Could be love that. Yeah, just remember to be patient, wait for the setup. I mean, that's really all that matters, right? It's just we have what we want it to do. So now we just wait for price to get there to show us what to do. It is looking, I mean, more downside to me, but that 603, 600, 601 range Qs, that's definitely a no touch, right? Because this is a potential, like, I don't want to go short here into a demand. You never want to short into a man. Short into a man. You never want to short into a demand or long into a supply. All right, remember that. Short into a demand is a no-no. Long into a supply is a no-no. So you wait. Are we going to break through this supply, or are we going to reject this supply? Are we going to bounce off this demand? Are we going to break through this demand? And then wait for your candle close and your pullback. And like, we're still falling. I'm very curious by 8:30 what happens. This is, man, I'm excited. I just love every day. I just love every day of this. Meta looks nice. 606 to 601. Hit them with that. Another thing, right? If it does open and it just starts falling, right? A lot of times, if you miss the move because the market just starts falling on you, then just wait. Like, if you don't get a good pullback, don't get FOMO about missing out on the downside. Like, oh no, it blew through another one. Well, if it doesn't give you a good pullback, then who cares what it blows through? Just wait, right? Wait for this to happen, and then take it back. Just wait for the reversal, or wait for a nice, boom, 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 dead cat bounce, back down. Either one's possibilities. Just patience. Wait for that good setup, and you'll take it, and you'll win. Let's see what these are looking like. Oracle's up. Okay. That's crazy. 863, dude. So on the 4 hour, we have major. So I'm fully in on bull now, right? This is I'm not adding no more. I want to wait to see what we do. This is just crazy to me. So if you look at bull, we're at 858, okay? And yeah, we could do like that. We gotta get back up there. We gotta get back up there for bull for sure. But I do like. There's just no support. I mean, the only thing that I like is the bullish divergence. That's the only thing I like along with this. So boom, 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 boom. They have earnings on I think Wednesday, whatever the 20th is. The Thursday. So if you haven't gone full size yet, I mean, I added, my average is about like, I think $9.50. But look at their trailing 12 months, bro. It's insane. They're trailing 12 months. They were negative 14 million, right? Now they're positive 21 million. What? 30 million extra? So I am very curious, 21 is back when they like in 23. So figure in 23, I mean, oh wow. Look at the IPO. I mean, the IPO just opened and went nuts when they were profitable, and then something happened, and they just like boom, 68 million, 22, negative 15. Like what? I don't know what they were doing there, and then now we're positive 20. The forecast, right? They think 1 year estimate is 1850. So from $8 to 1850, that's a pretty big move, right? And this is like I said, I mean, it's a long term. There's a lot of them we're in that's more of a long term, but that's why I like bull, because bullish divergence, and they just made back like over $30 million in the trailing 12 months. So I'm very curious to see if we're just gonna pop out of this like crazy, or it's gonna be a long hold. But that's why you never over leverage. Just see how it goes. That's fine. Everything. Oh yeah, MicroStrategy, dude. That's crazy. All my Bitcoin lovers, All my Bitcoin lovers, excuse me, by the way. All my Bitcoin lovers, here you go. That's not too bad. Just some long terms there. Some leaps. All right, y'all, that's it. You got any questions? I'm just looking now. All right, we out you.